So hello guys, welcome to my channel Study Pack. So today we will be discussing on the topic of distribution channel. So the contents are concept of distribution, channel of distribution, physical distribution, objectives of distribution, marketing channel functions and flows, marketing channel functions, flow in marketing channel, physical flow, information flow, ownership or title flow, financial flow, risks flow, method of distribution, channel structure for consumer product, zero level channel, one level channel, two level channel, three level channel, channel structure for industrial product, zero level channel, one level channel and two level channel. Channel selection factor, market consideration, product consideration, objective consideration, channel consideration and organizational consideration. Channel conflict and resolution method, conflict resolution method, logistics management, concept of marketing logistics, components of physical distribution, order processing, warehousing, inventory management, transportation and customer service. So let's go to the top discussion. Concept of distribution, function of getting goods into hands of consumer. It denotes middleman engaged in moving goods from one place of production to the place of consumption. It is channel through which goods move as smoothly as possible to reach the desired place. It is the route by which goods move from place of production to the place of consumption. It is the process of getting goods from manufacturer or supplier. Next is channel of distribution. It is organized network or system to connect producer and consumer. The intermediaries who help in moving the product from producer to consumer, they are the merchants and middlemen acts as intermediaries. Now physical distribution, management of physical flow of product and established and operation of on flow system. The storage, handling, movement of goods within the goods, their shipment to the customer. Physical distribution creates time and place utility which maximizes the value of goods, including the raw material handling, inventory management, control and transportation. Now we have objectives of distribution. So the objective is minimum total cost, transfer of product ownership, regular supply of goods, availability of goods, promote goods and services, customer satisfaction and utility creation. Now marketing channel function, the various functions carried out by channel members. So channel members include carrying inventory, generating demand, selling, physical distribution, after sales service and extending credit to customers. Now flow in marketing channel. So flow of physical goods and services, a title, a risk, information or payment. It is the flow of physical product through marketing channel. So there is physical flow, information flow, ownership or title flow, financial flow and risk flow. Talking about physical flow, it is the flow that takes place among the suppliers, manufacturers and intermediaries and customers, etc. It is one-way flow which cannot be returned. For example, suppliers to manufacturer to dealers and then final consumer. Next we have information flow, communication in all direction among the channel members. It includes catalogs, brochures, advertisement, order by mail, telephone, fax, etc. For example, manufacturers, suppliers to manufacturers to dealers and customers. Next we have ownership and title flow. It is the transfer of ownership that occur in the same direction. Broker or agents don't take the title, they work based on commission. Now next we have financial flow or money flow. It originates from consumer to the supplier, including payment through bank and financial institution. Financial payment helps for advertisement, transport, warehouse, research and development. So the manufacturer through bank deals with the dealer and dealer through bank deals with customers. Now we have risk flow. Risk is involved in transaction, that is sales and purchase of products, including the price change, demand and trading risk. It flows entire the channel. We have method of distribution. There is direct channel, indirect channel and mixed channel. Talking about channel structure for consumer product, so there is zero level, one level, two level and three level channel. Zero level channel, it is the channel between manufacturer and consumer. There is direct channel distribution between manufacturer to consumer. Manufacturer performs distribution activities and service product include zero level. It requires personal contact. There is door-to-door, mail order, telemarketing and online marketing. Distribution cost is the lowest. Next we have one level channel. It is from manufacturer to retailer, then to consumer. It contains retailer between manufacturer and consumer. It is short channel. The retailer buy from manufacturer and sold them. For example, supermarket, discount farms, Bhartbhatini supermarket, they are examples of it. Agriculture or perishable goods are sold through this channel. Next we have two-level channel. It is from manufacturer to wholesaler, then to retailer, and it reaches to consumer. It is long channel. It is widely used in traditional channel. It aims at intensive distribution. There is a large number of retail outlets reached, and the cost incurred is high, and the product needs to be durable to survive in two-level channel. Next we have three-level channel. It is from manufacturer to sold agent, then wholesaler, retailer, and consumer. It is the longest channel. The sole agent has executive right to sell the product. It is when the global companies, when there is barrier of distance, language, and culture, so this channel is used. The distribution costs are the highest in this channel. Next we have channel construction structure for industrial product. So industrial consumer buy product for business, resell, use of product, and make use of product. So there are three levels: 0 level, 1 level, and 2 level. So 0 level is from manufacturer to customer. There is individual user. Capital goods, item consisting installation and raw materials are used in this channel. The distribution cost is the lowest. It is competent salesperson is required in this channel. Post sale service is important to have good relation for the long term relation. Next we have 1 level channel, where the manufacturer passes the product through distribution channel and then it reaches to customer. It contains distributor between manufacturer and industrial user. The distributor is specialized the product line. It provides delivery and after sales service as well. It is popular for necessary equipment and operating supplies. Next we have 2 level channel. It is from manufacturer to agent to distributor and then customer. It is the longest channel. The agent are the manufacturer representatives over here. Agents negotiate sales and arrange transfer of title. It is used for the lower priced industrial goods that require intensive distribution. Now final we have channel selection for the distribution. So there are 5 channels: market consideration, product consideration, objective consideration, channel consideration, and organizational. Now talking about this in detail. Market consideration: type of market. Market can be consumer market or individual market. Individual channel is the shortest as to the customer channel. Retailers are not used in industrial. Target customer, it affects the channel selection. It is the small consumer use the direct channel can be used. For large consumer, 2 or 3 level of channel is used. Time, place, and frequency of purchase affects the selection. Order size: the large order size requires short channel and vice versa. Final we have competition. So the channel structure for the competitor affects channel. Now we have product consideration. So nature of product: perishable goods and product require direct and short channel. Long channel is suitable for durable goods. Service is distributed directly. If technical complexity is there, then provide after sales service. Unit value: the direct and short channel for product of high value unit. Low value unit, it requires fast moving consumer goods. For example, jewelries and cars are high unit value products. Next we have product line. Same product, then direct channel can be used. It consumes less time. Final we have standardization. So standardized quality and size takes a longer time due to long distribution channel. For example, automobile, it flows from manufacturer to wholesaler to retailer, then consumer. Now we have objective consideration. So first talking about control, it regulates behavior of channel participants. Greater control: short channel is in used. Long change, then it is difficult to control. Coverage, it depends on the intensity of distribution. It determines the number of channel participants. In case of intensive distribution, long channel and wide coverage can be used. For say selective distribution, short and multiple channel can be used at target market. For exclusive distribution, shortest and few channels can be used at narrow market. Cost, it consists of discounts and commission to the physical distribution. In case of short channel, low cost, there is high physical distribution cost. In case of long channel, high cost. low physical distribution cost is incurred. We have now final reputation and financial ability. Manufacturer must consider financial ability. Financially sounding is able to obtain credit facility. Now we have channel consideration. So channel availability. It is desired channel must be available. Available channel carries competing products. Range of service provided. Channel may not be able to provide desired service. For example, wholesaler unwilling for the post-sale service. We have channel latitude. So channel members may not be live manufacturing policy. Manufacturer may not like terms and conditions of the middleman. Cost of distribution. They are in case of high cost of distribution, high price of the product is charged. Manufacturer should select most economical distribution channel that cannot be offered by others. Now we have organizational consideration, management capability. Organization may lack capability and experience in marketing, so human resource may be lacking. They can't undertake direct marketing over there. Financial resources. Financially strong organization use direct marketing. Middleman needed when financial position is weak in our organization. We have now marketing risk. So some product require aggressive advertisement and sales promotion. Channel members refuse to distribute such products if manufacturer do not promote them. Now we have legal provision. It is limiting factor in selection channel. Legal compliances is essential in channel selection. Now we have channel conflict and resolution method. So conflict consists of all the opposition and antagonist interaction. Vertical, in case of vertical conflict, there is different level in the same channel, manufacturer and retailer. In case of horizontal conflict, there is members at same level, for example retailers to retailers. In case of multi-channel, two or more channel in selling to the same market. Causes for channel conflict is goal incompatibility, unclear rules, perpetual differences, over dependence, ideology differences, and poor communication. Now we have conflict resolution method. So conciliation, there is diplomacy, mediation, and arbitration used. Next there is channel restructuring, where the structure is modified to manage conflict. Goal modification, where the channel member agree on new goals to face threats. Politics, trade associations are formed to gain channel power. Retailers may form retailers association. Expansion of resources, financial resources expanded to manage conflict. Commission to take retailers by increased. Now final is improved communication. Better communication promoted for conflict management. Conflict cannot be eliminated, rather it can be managed. Now we have concept and the nature of marketing logistics, logistics management and physical distribution. So logistic management is the management of physical flow of product and operation and flow system. The process that has responsibility to ensure delivery of right product to the right place at the right time at right quantity. So it is considered as entire supply chain. The objectives of logistic marketing is aims to provide better customer service, to increase sales, to reduce cost, good and effective communication system, competitive advantage over the rivals. Now we have components of physical distribution. So there is order processing, warehousing, inventory management, transportation, and customer service. So talking about order processing, it is the physical distribution. It starts with the customer order. It is the set of procedure for the entry, handling, and delivery of order. It is done manually or through computers. Order entry, there is order received directly from the customer or the company salesperson. It is received through mail, telephone, fax, and internet. Next we have order handling. So order is transmitted to the account section for the credit check. Warehouse is the place where it checks the product availability over there. Now we have order delivery. The product are packed for the shipment by the warehouse. The invoice and shipping documents are prepared as well. Next we have warehousing. Warehouse is the storage facility to store product until they are sold. They perform various functions such as assembling, bulk breaking, storing, packaging, shipping. Today's warehouse focus on product movement than storage. There are different warehouses such as public warehouse, special commodity warehouse, household warehouse, cooperative, cold storage, and private warehouse. Now talking about private warehouse, it is owned, managed and controlled by a single organization. The investment and cost of opening costs are very high. It is designed and customized. Next we have public warehouse. It is independently owned and controlled. The separate charge is for storage space and uses. The cost is the variable cost used for product display. Now we have inventory management. Goods should be kept in the stock to supply them at the right time, place when customer demanded. The process of deciding what and how much item to be kept determines time and quantity of various items. For example, first talking about EOQ, economic order quantity, it is the volume at which total ordering cost and total carrying cost are minimum. The formula to calculate EOQ is root under 2 AO by C, where A stands for annual requirement, O is for ordering cost and C is the carrying cost. Now we have JIT, just in time. So it is designed to minimize the cost incurred. It is computerized inventory management to the various techniques available to optimize the management. The order quantities are small and frequent. The supplier needs to be highly dependable for JIT concept. Next we have ABC analysis. It is the analytical material management technique which enables top level management to maximize the output. ABC stands for always better control for the purchase, receive and inspection. There are three categories. So over here we can see in group A 10 items are produced, in B 20 items and C 70 items. But in terms of value we can see that in group A the value item is 70, which means that under production of 10 items it carries 70% of the value. Meanwhile, looking at C, we can see that the item produced is 70 but the quality or the value of the item is only 10. Now we have customer service. It is act of taking care of customer needs by providing and delivering processing and high quality service before, during and after customer requirement met. It is important in attracting customer and building sales. Availability, timeliness, quality are the important dimensions of customers. Now we have transportation. It is the move product from manufacturer to the customer. Thus it serves to specialization and large scale production. It creates place utility by reducing gap between the customers and the producer. There are various modes of transportation such as road, rail, water, air and animal. So through different modes the products are transported from one place to another. So it is on the basis of this table where we can see on the basis of different criteria such as cost, speed, reliability, safety and availability, we consider which transportation method is very suitable. As we can see over here, the cost for road is high, for the rail medium, for the water is obviously very low, air it is high, and for animal and human it is very high. So on the basis of these criteria we select the best option for the transportation. So that's it. That's the end of the chapter distribution channel. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. You guys are amazing. Keep reading. Also you can get this file in the PDF Word format. The link is in the description. Thank you.